Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the magical world of protein shakes. Ever wondered how that delicious post-workout shake is made? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the key ingredient, protein powder. Most protein powders come from milk. It starts with milk being separated into curds and whey. Whey is our hero here. The liquid whey is collected and then filtered to remove fats and sugars, leaving us with pure protein. This process is called microfiltration or ultrafiltration. Next up, the liquid whey is dried into a powder. This is done using a process called spray drying. Imagine a big machine that sprays the liquid whey into a hot chamber. The heat evaporates the water, leaving behind dry protein powder. Pretty cool, right? But wait, there's more. To make your protein shakes taste amazing, flavors and sweeteners are added. These can range from chocolate and vanilla to more exotic flavors like strawberry banana or cookies and cream. The flavored powder is then blended thoroughly to ensure every scoop has a consistent taste. Now here's where the magic happens in your kitchen. Grab a scoop of your favorite protein powder, a liquid base like water, milk or a milk alternative, and mix them together. You can use a shaker bottle for convenience or a blender if you want it extra smooth. For those of you looking to level up your shake, add some extras like fruits, veggies or even nut butter. Not only does it taste great, but it also packs in additional nutrients. Blend it up and you've got yourself a power-packed drink. But remember, protein shakes are just a supplement. They should complement a balanced diet, not replace meals. Always aim to get most of your nutrients from whole foods. So, there you have it. From milk to the delicious shake in your hand, that's how protein shakes are made. Next time you sip on your post-workout shake, you'll know just what went into making it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay fit and keep crushing those goals. Until next time, folks. Protein shakes are not just for bodybuilders or athletes. They can be a convenient way for anyone to get a quick protein boost, especially if you're on the go. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, protein shakes can be a versatile addition to your diet. People of all ages and backgrounds can benefit from incorporating protein shakes into their daily routine. They are especially useful for those who have higher protein needs, such as older adults, pregnant women, and people recovering from surgery or illness. When choosing a protein powder, it's important to read the nutrition label carefully. Look for products with minimal added sugars and artificial ingredients. Opt for high-quality protein sources like whey, casein, or plant-based proteins such as pea or hemp. Making an informed choice can help you get the most out of your protein shake. Remember, the best protein powder for you depends on your dietary needs, preferences, and fitness goals. So the next time you enjoy a protein shake, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took from the farm to your shaker bottle. It's a blend of science, nutrition, and a bit of culinary magic. With every sip, you're not just fueling your body, but also embracing a healthier lifestyle. Cheers to your health and fitness journey.